What?
Red versus green versus red.
Where's my spoon?
Apa yan na dito tayo? Maanoid na.
No.
Why are we here?
Stop over.
I want this.
Do you like the chicken sandwich, darling?
Yes, but it's very spicy.
I can taste spicy.
For me, yes.
There's no limit.
Maybe that's mine. Maybe that's mine. That's why
Yan?
I want the no sticky.
Yan?
Let's go now. I think this is mine.
Oh, ayun.
Why?
They naman din okay na because we're not moving. Sorry, linamnam lang namin yung sarap.